died?
Yeah. Battery's probably no good. We'll have to get it. It's fun though. We know it starts.
That's why I bought a battery, and so we are charging it, so it should be. Maybe I shouldn't go to the gym, but I might be able to start it again.
Oh, never died.
There's your theme song.
Huh?
Bad to the bone.
Oh yeah. I'll come into that song. The spike,
Did you grab the little bolt setup, sir?
Oh yeah, the battery.
yeah, it's in the box.
Yeah, I see that's why when I draw, it's like, it was touching with the vibration.
Is that noise again?
What'd you say? That's the mechanic talk.
It is.
But it's how you understand your clients. You're going to be asking them, what type of noise does it make? Is it more like...
Is the car going bad or are you going crazy? Oh, it's leaking. Oh, you say you filmed it, right? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, but what, this one?
Yeah, see, it's leaking.
Oh yeah, that's...
No, that one we didn't film.
You know that it's more space.
See, look. It's leaking out.
Looks like
The part that you
like
get...
this. Feel that it's a little different, but that could be all the difference.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's
Here.
inside. Oh, that was inside.
But you have the same battery in there.
That's the same one?
Yeah.
So it's probably the same... they just give you that on top of it.
Yeah, it's new. It's just new stuff.
New hardware.
How do you call that?
Washer.
Washer. That's what I was saying. Put like in case.
Oh, a spacer?
A spacer. So
Yeah,
I
it's a
guess-
washer or spacer. Spacer would be the difference.
You are.
I'm winning that title.
So if we get
Undisputed
in trouble,
scooter king.
so if we get in trouble in the street, I'm gonna be like, well, talk to the leader over there. He's the one.
No habla inglés.
No habla inglés either. Je ne parle pas anglais.
Un papillon, s'il vous plaît.
Un papillon?
Un papillon, s'il vous plaît.
Un papillon?
Un papillon.
Butterfly?
I guess so.
I guess so. You need a butterfly?
I don't think there's a cop out there in Chicago that speaks French anyways.
I doubt.
Morally educated people, you know.
I can't wait to clean it.
Alright, well.
So what's the gang name?
I don't know.
Hey, did you like my emoji with the scooter? I love it.
I'm like, coming down now.
I have the emoji on the phone with the scooter. You have to track. It's so funny. It's like a.
It's because your phone's from France.
Boom! I can wear heels.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, with the new battery, it sounds better.
Nice.
We just own the festivals.
Yeah. You don't need to park. It's going to be so much easier.
You know, I just need my radio to be on at all times with what is it? Bad to the Bone from George Thurgood.
Oh,
Yeah, now it feels like it has a little bit more
power, huh?
Yeah. But yeah, the chain, we gotta check out the chain. It's definitely got it's got something going on
And
with
you
the chain.
didn't hear the...
No.
Yeah, so
No,
that
you don't hear it. You only hear the chain when you go to take off.
Yeah, just the chain.
Other than that,
It's... Oh, it's
good.
You should get the other one. So you have to change the
I would
battery.
say so because then you call the tow truck and be like, hey,
Yeah.
I can't start my bike. The older bikes had a kick
Would have the
start.
kick start. Yeah, that's much better.
That's pretty cool. At least you have that. You won't get stuck. You know what I mean? If the battery dies, it's okay. Just
scooter has a Kickstarter.
Just do it without the heels.
I know. That's why I wanted to just. I mean, I would not wear like high heels like crazy, but I would probably have like sandals.
No, like if you're going to the to the Oscars, totally use that.
The red carpet, Chicago red carpet.
Red carpet, red scooter, red kicks. That is a little scooter. It's a little 50cc scooter by Schwinn. I think that's an 04, right? 06. 06. And it has, it's just a little 50cc, not allowed on the highway. There's about 25, 30 miles an hour. We just added a battery to it. Maybe needs chain tightening, and Mikey's looking up to see how that's going to happen, if that can happen. So we'll figure it out. Other than that, it's just a little thing to get around here in the city in the summertime. Guys, all the breakdowns.
Oh, I can say so much better than
Be careful, all right?
Yes, I do.
All right.